Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 12, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. Column I, then column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Sixth grade, only 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 5. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 5. Fourth row, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 3, 5, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Fourth row, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. First grade, only 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 8, 9. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third row and column G, we have pair numbers 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 8. Column E, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column F, 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 10th row, we have 1. Column I also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Column D, column E, column G, then column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Sixth grade, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Second row and 9th row, we have 1 and 7. So runs and can't come these cells, it will come any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Second row and ninth row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third row we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, then 2 is confirmed here. Fourth row also we can confirm 4 also here. Then second grid, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second row, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Third grid, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. Ninth row we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Ninth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column E we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Seventh grade we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column D we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 10th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 7th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 10th row we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column D we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column D we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column D we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 5th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 5th row and 6th row we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 6th row we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 7th row and 6th row we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 6th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 6th row and 7th row we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 7th row we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.